So I told you about
Have you done it?
launching of the DUKIA Africa Resource Center. Here is the helipad. Here is the helipad, and there is the helicopter that just landed here. This will tell you that we are serious about developing this estate and also going to give you a high return on your investment. This is the best time to invest in DUKIA Africa because the pre-launch price is going to end. And then we'll be reaping additional 7 million naira. You can also get 300 square meter. You can also get 150 square meter. 150 square meter is 5 million, while the 300 square meter is 10 million, and the 500 square meter is 15 million. This is the best time to invest in this estate before it is sold out. So you can see right now we have both the street 1 and the street 2 where we're going to build the salt. This is the residential where we have the helipad. We are also going to have the basketball court, swimming pool, a lot of amenities right here. So we are still going to have a lot of things that is taking place right here. So I urge you to invest in DUKIA Africa for a high investment. Thank you.
The pre-launch sales of DUKIA Africa ends today, 15th of September by 11:59 p.m. This is the best time to make a deposit. Either you want 200 square meter, 150 square meter, 300 square meter.